I have always wanted to create products that are fundamentally high-tech, fun, and enjoyable to use. The biking industry is undergoing a rapid transformation from mechanics to electricity. So we see enormous opportunities waiting for us to explore, and that's the reason we found Terran.
I've tried a lot of cargo bikes before, and I have to be honest that I was never 100% confident.
The stabilization when stopping and starting a heavy cargo bike is always an important issue, even for experienced riders. The landing gear system provides unparalleled stabilization and allowing the riders to simply pedal or brake normally. It's definitely the most elegant way we can think of to solve this important issue.
In a nutshell, T1 Pro is a combination of innovations, both hardware and software, designed for families with young kids and pets. Some of them are switching from cars to bikes. We want them not to sacrifice functions they got used to on cars. We provide many smart features and they can be directly controlled on the handlebar or touchscreen.
When you get your hands on it, you just know how to use it.
The main design feature on the cargo bike is for sure the continuous loop that goes all around the bike, which not only serves as a signature element, but also embodies kind of the key principles of the cargo bike, which is safety and function.
The camera on the front and rear rack provides the instant view of surroundings. The rear radar provides instant feedback to the rider. By enabling the rider to see more and detect the danger earlier, we can reduce worry and increase the safety.
As a team, Terran believes in local perspectives, and I think that's what KissCar brings to the table.
Our collaboration began with a commitment to creating a vehicle providing real value to riders in diverse and actually quite challenging use cases.
I can imagine moms enjoying the idea of landing gear, while maybe cyclists would prefer the screen and all-in-one control. And also maybe the travelers will be enjoying a lot of the cameras to recall their memories. Every user will have their own version of the story.